1-1 here in set 1. Sagaysay to Dote from the middle. De Leon. Oh. Nike!
Oh. Nike going there. And sabi nga natin, ito sa mga senior players na gusto bigyan ng great game.
Morty this time. De Leon to Itang in the middle.
Wow, nice save.
Even if it was a collision, it's still up. Noceja, but great save by Aposaca. Shaina. Go to Nike again. Back-to-back points for Mayang.
Ending it. And the opposite side again, back-to-back points nga sabi mo, Jana. Their single block for her.
Sagaysay. To Mayang Nike. She's on fire.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that is her third point.
10 serving 21. Sagaysay. Tunitura. Olauchenko. Nearly had it. Nike. That's inside.
Attacks in set number 1 and she knows it kasi halos laging single block lang siya in the opposite side and UP needs to cover that.
UP has so many solid options and they can still pull anything off.
Yes. I think
Speaking
yung
of-
pagka-tentative lang ng movement kailangan nilang ma-overcome yun.
Adamson will score one first, but if you look at the UP lineup right now, Jazz Mangilimutan and
Itang now in front also.
Jazz to Kian. Aboneta goes up. Nike will have to adjust. Tricky angle for Mayang Nike, but that'll do it for her. Dote lines up to serve. This time, Adamson with a 2-point advantage. De Leon to Bansil. Nike. Noceja dug up by Adamson. Mayang once again, and she'll get the touch. And look close, so the referees will talk this through with the linesman.
Yes.
Malango. Mayang. Nothing is stopping her today.
Down the line attack. She knows na kahit may kamay dyan, she can dominate the block there.
13 big